Smiling is one of the most effective ways to let other people know you're approachable and make them feel at ease with you. They often feel safe and open to communicate when you give them a genuine and sincere smile. But sometimes, out of our need to be accepted or validated, we force our smiles. Forced or fake smiles are easily recognizable and could actually hurt your rapport-building efforts because they might associate you with hypocrisy. So what kind of smile makes you a people magnet whom everyone loves, trust and respect? In her book How to Talk to Anyone, Leah Lowndes tells us about the flooding smile. This unique smile makes people feel special because they'll feel like the smile is personalized to them. Here's how to do it. When you meet someone, don't go full blast and smiling immediately. You look at them for a moment, absorb their aura, and then slowly flood your face with an affectionate and sincere smile that overflows into your eyes. This goes hand in hand with the Duchenne smile, also known as the genuine smile. This smile produces crinkles at the edge of the eyes and lifts the ends of the mouth. But how do we evoke this attractive smile, especially if you're not too keen or enthusiastic on the person you're meeting? One way is to focus on the positive qualities of that person. Avoid the habit or inclination of finding fault in others. Soon, you'll find that the person has some positive traits that you can truly feel good and smile about. I also suggest visualizing about different situations or memories that make you happy. You can even practice in front of the mirror to see what smile comes naturally out of you when you think of a specific happy thought. For example, you might want to reminisce about the time your child first learned to walk. Or you could think about how you won a contest or got awarded for your accomplishment. While looking at the mirror, take a mental note of every smile emanating from the thought of each happy memory. In the future, when you want to project a particular smile to somebody, just think of the specific experience or situation that brought out that special smile from you. With that irresistible smile of yours, you'll be attracting and persuading people in no time flat. Smiling can boost your social confidence and melt away anxiety. Watch this video next to discover an even more powerful psychological trick to build bulletproof confidence and overcome shyness around people.